You know, they're wearing a uniform, they're neat and tidy, and their trucks are clean. We'll take Tony's truck here, for example. If it's all muddy, messy, pipes everywhere, you open up the passenger side, coffee cups fall out everywhere, like that's not really a good sign. They're clean and they're organized, they're more likely going to be clean and organized within, you know, your home. But if we have a quick look at his box, he's just left this open. Like, he is organized. Like, he's got all these different crates, different baskets, everything has a spot. He's obviously doing a lot of dirty work. Like, he's sporting his nice new legs today. That's actually pretty clean. Washed relatively recently. The dash is all wiped down. There's going to be a bit of dirt from the shoes, but you're going to get that. This is the only thing that looks out of place. It's just his coffee mug from today, which I assume you're going to be taking out and washing today. That's a sign of a good tradesman.